If you have never built a website before, you're just curious about the process, I'll throw this on in the background and listen to me ramble a little bit, maybe learn a couple of things. And hopefully, this show will get you excited, inspired to build your own website because I'm a huge believer in the web. I've been building websites for 25 years. It remains my single favorite part of any kind of publishing. I've published in print, I've done social media, I've done all the things. I love websites. They're so flexible. You can do whatever you want. You're not subject to someone else's design. You can build a website and literally anyone across the globe, pretty much with some exceptions based on country politics, but anyone can access your website, which is freaking cool. And I'm rebuilding my portfolio website because it fell off the web last year, which is really embarrassing. And so I would like to have another portfolio website that is separate from my brand and my company, which is called The Content Technologist. And so I am rebuilding this website 1 hour at a time via this live stream.